Ladies and gentlemen, my name is John. We are City Sounds Entertainment, and we are here for you guys tonight. And our bride and groom wants nothing more than everyone to have the best time of your lives. You guys ready? So right now, please focus your attention to our doorway as we introduce our husband and wife in the year 2013 here at the beautiful Imperia in Somerset, New Jersey. Let's make some noise for the brand new Mr. and Mrs. Greg Foreman! Take a walk around that dance floor. Show off your bride. Everyone make some noise for our bride and groom. Now, Greg, for the very first time as husband and wife, I'd like you escorted to the center of the dance floor for our wedding dance. And ladies and gentlemen, they chose this beautiful song, Whatever It Is, Zach Brown Band. Please give your bride and groom a huge round of applause. One more time, ladies and gentlemen, please give the brand new bride and groom, Mr. and Mrs. Foreman, a big round of applause. And I want you to put two hands up in the air, and I want you to clap those hands nice and loud to the beat. Let's go! One song, we're gonna dance with the bride and groom. Let's go, everybody, let's have some fun. Now, if everybody watches the bride and groom, we're gonna find out who's the better dancer right now. Let's go, let's go. Clap those hands to the beat. Is it the bride? Is it the bride? Is it the groom? Is it them together? All right, ladies and gentlemen, give yourselves a round of applause. That's how you start a party.
Show him your photo.
Everybody, hands up high. Wave those hands in the air. If you love the bride and groom, wave them up high. Everybody, raise the roof. Raise it, raise it. You guys ready to have some fun tonight? Say yeah! Everybody throw those hands up high. Come on now. Let me hear you sing the words. Say it. Come on now. All right, everybody, listen to the words and put those hands in the air. Everybody, who's ready to see the bride get wild right now? Sing it out. I don't care. I love it. I don't care. All right, now everybody, you're ready to get energized. I want you to take two hands and put them up high. And I want you to wiggle your fingers. And get ready to shout it out right now.
You know you make me wanna take my hands up and throw my hands up and shout.
Come on, man, get on your knees. Look at her, look at her. Now you're gonna sing to her. You're gonna say to her, "You've been so good to me," all right? You've been so good to me. He has no idea what I'm saying right now. Just wing it. He's on. Say, "You've been so good to me."
You've been so good to me.
Do it one more time.
You've been so good to me.
Now get up and dance with her. Get up, come on now.
Lift my head up and shout. Throw my head back and shout. Come on now, shout. Come on now, shout. Let me go.
Now all the ladies and gentlemen, I want you to get sexy now. Get sexy, sway side to side.
I said I want you to know.
Let's go, let's go. Come on, get sexy now. Listen up. Did everybody have fun at Mr. and Mrs. Foreman's wedding? Yes, I said it. Mr. and Mrs. Foreman! Here we go! All right, everybody clap those hands to the beat now. Clap, clap, clap. Let's give them a big round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, it has been my pleasure to entertain you guys. Very special thanks to the Imperia. My name is John, my crew back here, City Sounds Entertainment.